A few Amazon products you need, part 54. This twistable cup that can grip any sized straw. This tiny light bulb that's powered via USB. This stick-on phone holder so you can watch TV in the shower. Amazon products you need, part 48. This thing is the world's fastest MagSafe charger for phones in use. It uses Cryo Boost technology to keep my phone cool, while it also charges my watch and AirPods all at the same time. Amazon home hacks you need, part 51. These things can suck and blow. They're USB-C rechargeable vacuums that come with a unique variety of attachments that make for a great sucking experience this Christmas. And this one has an easily removable chamber with excellent suction. This game could make you take your pants off. It's a hilarious card game for couples where you can dish out action cards on your partner at any time. To play, you split the deck and agree to a time frame. Could be a week, a month, or even a year. The cards are almost like relationship coupons. For example, you could make your partner get ready in under 10 minutes for a night out, but they could steal your food at dinner. Amazon products you need, part 47. This thing can power all of your devices for $0. It's a Jackery Solar Generator 1000 Pro that comes with a portable charging unit and 2 solar panels. It has multiple USB-A and USB-C ports as well as 3 120-volt plugs. It also comes with a variety of cables for multiple other charging options such as charging it in your car. Amazon products you need, part 45. This is the world's best device for clumsy people. It's a cup that tightens up to stop any liquid from escaping with a quick twist of a hand, and it's also perfect for sucking out of a straw. Amazon products you need, part 21. I just bought this super futuristic robot today that vacuums, mops, and cleans my condo. Literally all I have to do is feed it clean water and take away the shitty water. Amazon products you need, part 43. Blow dryers have come a long way since you were a kid. This one has a futuristic brushless motor for ultra speed, whisper quiet blowing that can dry your hair in under 5 minutes. It also comes with 3 magnetic attachments and can auto switch from hot to cold every 2 seconds to protect your precious beautiful hair. Amazon products you need, part 41. This thing is a lifesaver in an emergency situation. It's a portable fast charging power bank that has a flashlight and multiple USB ports so you can charge all of your things all at once. Amazon products you need, part 31. Alarm clocks have come a long way since you were a kid. This one has a built-in nightlight, multiple USB ports, Bluetooth for music, and even has a wireless charging pad for your AirPods and phone. Desk gadgets you need, part 22. This thing is a clippable but also twistable headphone holder. These are AA batteries that recharge via USB. This thing automatically wiggles your mouse so your boss thinks you're still working. This power brick that can charge all of your things all at once. Amazon products you need, part 28. So I really hate going to the bathroom at night because I can never really see what I'm doing, so I decided to start using this automatic motion light. It's also really helpful for dark closets and even in the kitchen cabinets too. And if the batteries get too low, it's rechargeable. Amazon products you need, part 82. These shitty glue guns will ruin your kid's art project. Buy this hot wireless glue gun instead that's portable and super easy to clean. 5 desk gadgets you need, part 26. This rubber dubber that protects your fragile wrist. This stick-on drawer for under your desk. This clamp-on keyboard tray. Amazon products you need, part 49. This renter hack allows you to install a video doorbell without drilling, wiring, or screwing. Amazon products you need, part 2. This motion activated smart lamp will connect to your Google Home and absolutely brighten your day. This incredible device is perfect for lighting up your life, whether it's for work or for decoration. And these color adjustments are absolutely breathtaking. Amazon products you should probably fucking get, part 1. Closets can be a dark and scary place. This magnetic motion activated light will brighten your day.
Bathroom gadgets you need or don't. This gadget means no more sticking hair to the shower wall or clogging up drains. Swipe one direction to trap your hair inside and swipe back the other way to clean it out. This mushroom fits over every type of drain, stays put, and will catch all of your hair while still allowing water to drain. And these caddies have powerful adhesives come in a pack of 3 and allow you to neatly organize all of your bathroom essentials.
If you haven't heard of or used this stuff, it is seriously awesome. It's cleaning paste that you can use for tough stains or different marks around your house. As you can see, there are pen marks all over this table and they just completely wiped off. You can also use it for your stove or different appliances. Here's the before.
Random Amazon finds it just slap. This gadget can provide up to 16 hours of warmth to one hand and separates to keep both hands nice and toasty all winter long. It has 4 levels of heat up to 145 degrees, a strong magnet so you can snap them into one, and the best part is, you can even charge 2 phones at the same time.
Amazon bathroom hacks. This gadget has 2 legs and pops open into a luxury bathtub that can fit inside your shower and be filled with as much water as you'd like. You can stretch out your legs, use a roller to massage your feet, and even cover it up with the lid to keep the warmth inside and place things on top. And when you're done, unplug and let the water drain out.
Shark Tank finds it just slap. This is the click and carry that lets you easily carry up to 80 pounds of groceries, sports gear, and other heavy items with one hand, so you don't have to struggle and make multiple trips back and forth. It's super lightweight, so you can store it in your glove box or purse. Comes in multiple colors. The unique padded gel grip lets you comfortably carry the bags over your shoulder, freeing up your hands. And the best part is, you can even use it for securing your purse to the cart at the store or as a phone stand. Have random gift ideas that just slap. This phone holder is waterproof and lets you binge watch your favorite shows and movies in the shower, so you don't have to use this old trick any longer. This handy gadget is perfect to remove crumbs from your keyboard and fingerprints from your laptop, bookmark, or phone screen. This portable charger plugs directly into your phone, has a display so you know how much charge is left, and you can use it while you're on the go, plus it works with most phone cases. This gadget will automatically hold charging cables in place on your desk or nightstand, and they stay neat and organized until you need them again. This portable speaker is waterproof, suctions to the wall, and lets you listen to your favorite tunes while in the shower for up to 6 hours. To technology to keep your drinks colder longer. It comes in multiple sizes for various canned drinks. It's sink proof and has a no-touch bottom to keep your drink off of hot surfaces, and the best part is, the anti-gravity hand strap makes it easy to hold and carry your drink, so no more spills. Designed by Huxley the panda puppy and his mom, who you might know from their TikTok channel with 6 million followers. Their product became a Shark Tank winner, earning an investment from Damon. If you're looking for a unique gift idea for your furry friend or a dog lover in your life, you gotta check out Pandaloon on Amazon. Shark Tank finds that just slap. This is the Busy Baby Mat that suctions to any smooth surface like high chairs, windows, the fridge, and even a tray table on the plane. It has a tether system that allows you to attach any of the baby's favorite toys to the mat, so they're always within arm's reach instead of on the floor. It's made of 100% food grade silicone, so it's safe for babies. You can color on it with washable markers that easily wipes clean. And the best part is, it's dishwasher safe and easy to pack for on-the-go parents. Random Amazon finds that just slap. This windshield cover for your car makes it easy to remove snow after a winter storm, so you don't have to use a torch. It's like a tarp, and you just slap it on your windshield before it snows. Secure the flap so it doesn't get stolen. Strap the bands to your mirrors, and when it snows, just pull it off and you're all set. Shark Tank finds it just slap. This is the Buckle Me baby coat that's a winter jacket specifically designed to be worn by your child in their car seat to keep them safe and comfortable, so you don't have to mess with those puffy coats that are frustrating and also not recommended for car seats. Coats go on at home and stay safely in the car seat, and then in the car seat, parents pull the panel aside, tighten the harness, and go. I love that the coat can be used at the same harness setting as no coat. They've been crash tested for safety, wind and water resistant, and machine washable. Random Amazon finds it just slap. This gadget has 2 flexible hinges, so you can stand your phone in any way you like for watching your favorite shows, scrolling TikTok, making conference calls, and you can even simultaneously charge your device. It's lightweight, has anti-slip padding, and folds up, making it perfect for travel.